Hello everyone. Today we are going to see BMS first year topic, that is of Padarth Vigyan, chapter number paper 2, chapter number 1, Pariksha and Pramana Vigyana. In this we are going to see definition, significance and use of Pariksha. Second point, that is definition of Prama, Prameya, Pramana and Pramata. Basically, first we are going to see what is Pariksha. प्रमाणेन अर्थवधारणं परीक्षा. The reality of the thing estimated or examined is known as pramana. What is pramana? Basically, that examination of a patient and getting the real knowledge about that, it's called as pramana. Pariksha is the term like roga rogi pariksha, examination of a patient, that is the clinical examination what we do is called as pariksha. The pariksha can be done by Trividha Pariksha, Chaturvidha Pariksha and Panchavidha Pariksha, Ashtavidha Pariksha and Dashavidha Pariksha. These are the pariksha bhavas basically. Roga Pariksha is done by the Panchalakshana Nidana. For a successful examination, for successful treatment, there is basically a need of Roga Rogi Pariksha, and it is one of the very important topic. Second, definition of Prama, Prameya, Pramata and Pramana. Now, a man in this world reacting to various circles, bondages and circle dosha, like we are having ajnana, raga, dvesh, etc. We should get out of this, the world needed. We shall have a Satya Jnana, that is also known as Tattva Jnana. It is possible because of the knowledge of Prama, Prameya, Pramata and Pramana. Basically, Prama means Yathartha Anubhava. What we see, that is the real knowledge what we gain, is called as Prama. That is Satya Jnana. The synonyms are Yathartha Anubhava or Jnana, Satya Jnana, Vigyana, or known as Prama. Then it is needed to establish the reality of Padartha, secret of health and treatment, like what the treatment should be goes on. For that, the real knowledge is very important, and the opposite of Prama is Aprama, that is Yathartha Anubhava Prama. Prama is known as Yathartha Anubhava, means real knowledge. Then the Anuprama, Anubhava, similar origin knowledge in Jnana is known as Prama. That is similar origin. We resemble two things and we get the knowledge that should be real, that we is called as Prama. Example, Adho Raktasara, that is blood motion. If the blood is flowing through the and nose, eyes, ears or any other orifices, that is the disease is called as Raktapitta. So if a patient comes to us and we see this condition like flowing of a blood from the nose, eyes or any part of the orifices, then we get the knowledge of Raktapitta, that is the real knowledge. So that's why that is called as Yathartha Anubhava Prama, that is the real knowledge. Aprama means Mithya Jnana or Ayarthartha Jnana. This is the opposite of Prama. Prama is real knowledge, Aprama is false knowledge. In which opposite to Prama, by seeing the Rajju. Rajju here means snake. Rajju means a thread, okay, and is knowledge of a serpent. Like sometimes we used to see similarly we used to see a thread and get the knowledge of a serpent, that type. Now this Aprama is basically three types, that is Samshaya, Viparyaya and Tarka. Samshaya means doubt due to mostly resemblance, like snake, if we see in a night like a rope is there, it's obvious that we'll get the knowledge of a snake. So it is Samshaya. Viparya, that is Mithya Jnana. Rajju is known as Sarpa. Here also same example, Tarka, providing by Anumana Pramana. Like we just guess that this may be that, but we don't have a perfect knowledge about that. Now types of Prama. It is of four types. Now Prama is Yathartha Anubhava, that is of four types. Pratyaksha, Anumiti, Shabda, Upmiti, Shabda. Pratyaksha means direct perception. Pratyaksha is generally what we see, or that is called as Pratyaksha knowledge, direct perception. Anumiti, knowledge of inference by resemblance. inference by something. Upmati, that is resemblance, similar things, similarity between two things. Shabda, knowledge by testimony, like somebody said something and we understand, that is called as shabda by vocal. Now the next is prameya. प्रमेय सिद्धि प्रमाणम, that is important shloka. अर्थात प्रमेयति तत् प्रमेयम, प्रमाणेन प्रमेयति यत् तत् प्रमेयम. The Vishya of Prama, Yathartha Jnana, is known as Pramaya, means the object through which we are getting the knowledge is called as Prameya. Prama is the real knowledge, but the Prameya is the object, like the sun. Sun is the object, so that is called as Prameya. As per Vaisheshik Darshanas, Prameyas are 6, that is Dravya, Guna, Karma, Samavaya, Vishesha, etc. As per Nyaya Darshanas, there are 12: Atma, Sharira, Indriya, Buddhi, Manas, Dosha, Pratishaya, Phala, Dukha, Aprava. As per Ayurveda, Tridosha, Trimala, Saptadhatu, Triguna, all these are called as Prameya. As per Sankhya Darshana, Pancha Vimshati Tattva, that is 25 principle of creation. In that Avyakta, Mahata, Avyakta, Mahata, that sequence will come. All the items of the body of word through which we get the knowledge is Prameya. Now the Pramata, the Atma or the Chinta Purusha, means the person who is getting the real knowledge is known as a Pramata. And Pramana, last, the person, the organ through which we get that knowledge is known as Pramana. Generally, with an example, if a cat is sitting, okay, so the cat is called as Prameya, we are called as Pramata, and our eyes, which is seeing the real knowledge, that is called as Pramana. Now the real example, Prama, Yathartha Jnana, that is real knowledge. Okay, Prameya, that is the object of true knowledge, that is the cat or anything you can take, that is object. Pramata, the Purusha or the Karta, the person who sees that object. And Pramana, that is the means of true knowledge, that is eyes or any sense organs. In this video, this much. Thank you.